All right, my Panther friends, it's another week, and we are going to be back to school for the most of us. So I am excited to see you, and it's a time to what I call a party. So we are going to do our dance fitness, my friends, and you're going to just take each letter of your name, as you can see in the alphabet above. Okay, you can see them. And you're going to do the dance move above it. So if I were using my first name, which is Dean, I would do the letter D, move the first 15 seconds, E the second, A, and N. So what a great way to get our body moving, working a little spelling, using our brain, and then put together our very own name game dance. All right, let's try it out. All right, let's see how we do. And you can do your letters while you're doing your dance, and then maybe send me, if you got it on video, send it to me. I want to see your special name dance. All right, let's see. Oh, I gotta go up and do the Carlton. And you didn't even know who the Carlton is. This was a dance move from the 80s right here. Oh, 4 seconds. Uh-oh, now I gotta go to E. Uh-oh, doing a little flossing. Uh-huh. They're doing it a lot faster than I am. I guess I'm getting a little bit old. Uh-huh. Oh, there we go. Oh, I goofed. There we go. All right, I'm going over to the A. Oh, I gotta get the knees down. You gotta see the knees down. Oh, yeah. A little dance monkey going on. 3, 2, 1. Okay. I gotta go over to the N over here. Oh, that is kind of like a dance monkey. I don't know if that's a kind of a weird dance move, but you know what? Perfect. Now, we're just going to leave it at that. You guys can do it on your own, but let's go ahead. Let's review the Mr. Downs dance. I'm going to put the combination all together. So we had the Carlton. Boom, 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 boom. Then I had a Flossin. That'd be my dance move. Then we had the old legs moving in. And then I had the monkey. Ladies and gentlemen, I just made the Dean dance. If I wanted to do Downs, if I wanted to do my wife's name, if I wanted to do a friend's name, if I want to do a family dance, send me some pictures, send me a video of your dance. Have a great day, and let's get funky.